Hey everybody, today we're in a Nissan Pathfinder where we'll be showing you how to install the ProClip center mount number 855898. Before we get started, we just want to mention that you want to install the mount onto the vehicle before you screw anything to the faceplate. So with that, we'll get started. This mount is a strap mount, so you see it's got a big long strap that's going to sit behind our screen, and then these two side arms are going to grip the edges of the screen on the side. So first thing you're going to want to do is come on the passenger side, and we're going to hook this around. You basically want to make sure that the top of the mount here is below this corner. So if you're sitting up here, it's not correct. You want to make sure you're down far enough so that you're below the corner. So now that we have the right side in, we can install the left. I'm going to use my right hand just to make sure this side stays in place. And we're going to bring this side up and over. And then we're gonna just press it down firmly until this side is basically resting on the top of the dash here. There we go. Now it's on. We have a nice solid mounting platform for a custom ProClip device holder. We hope this video has helped. Have a great day.